Iran has officially operationalized its Shahed 149 Gaza unmanned combat aerial vehicle (UCAV), a major advancement in its drone capabilities. Announced on January 26, 2025, through Iran's national TV, this follows the drone's successful deployment during the Great Prophet 2025 military exercise, where it precisely engaged multiple mock targets. This marks a pivotal moment for Iran, enhancing its military potential with a powerful new tool for both surveillance and precision strikes. The Shahed 149 was first introduced in 2021 and became operational in 2022, joining the ranks of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps (IRGC) aerospace force. With a wingspan of 21 meters and a payload capacity of 500 kilograms, this medium-altitude long-endurance (MALE) drone can reach impressive altitudes of 35,000 feet, enabling it to conduct extended reconnaissance and strike missions. Its cruising speed of 215 km per hour and endurance of 25 hours further enhance its operational flexibility. Equipped with advanced avionics, including electro-optical/infrared (EO/IR) sensors, synthetic aperture radar (SAR), and satellite communication (SATCOM), the Shahed 149 is designed for beyond line-of-sight operations. These technologies enable it to conduct real-time targeting and intelligence gathering, making it a crucial asset in Iran's intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition and reconnaissance (ISTR) missions. The drone is armed with 8 Shahed 345 precision-guided glide bombs, each weighing 34 kilograms and equipped with electro-optical and GPS-assisted navigation. These bombs are designed for high-precision strikes, capable of hitting both stationary and moving targets with an accuracy of 2.5 to 5 meters. The Shahed 345 offers a lethal radius of around 30 meters, ensuring effective destruction with minimal collateral damage. With a range of up to 4,000 kilometers, the Shahed 149 can target strategic assets across the Middle East, including military bases, infrastructure, and high-value adversary assets. This enhanced reach allows Iran to project power across the region, positioning the Shahed 149 as a key tool in Iran's asymmetric warfare strategy. The drone's deployment could have far-reaching effects on regional security, particularly in countries like Israel, Saudi Arabia, and the United States, who are likely keeping a close eye on its operations. The Shahed 149 draws inspiration from both the American MQ-9 Reaper and the Chinese CH-4 Rainbow drones. Although it lacks the advanced materials and avionics of its foreign counterparts, Iran's adaptation of these technologies has allowed the Shahed 149 to become an effective, low-cost alternative for reconnaissance and offensive missions in regional conflicts. With its successful operational deployment, the Shahed 149 Gaza underscores Iran's growing self-reliance in military drone technology. As tensions in the Middle East continue to simmer, this new addition to Iran's arsenal promises to further complicate the security dynamics of the region, providing Tehran with an increasingly powerful tool for its defense strategy.